India. When it comes to sheer manpower and growing military influence, India is rapidly emerging as a global powerhouse. With one of the largest active military forces in the world, India combines vast human resources with a strategic push toward modernization. Its defense budget has steadily increased, fueling advancements in missile technology, naval expansion, and cyber warfare capabilities. India's military isn't just about numbers, it's about evolving into a versatile force ready to tackle 21st century challenges. The country's focus on indigenous weapons development and space-based defense systems highlights its ambition to reduce reliance on foreign technology. India's strategic location, bordering several volatile regions, demands a military that's both robust and adaptable. Its experience in high-altitude warfare, counterinsurgency, and peacekeeping operations adds to its operational depth. What makes India's military particularly compelling is its balancing act, maintaining traditional ground strength while aggressively investing in air power, naval assets, and emerging technologies like drones and artificial intelligence. This blend of scale, strategy, and innovation positions India as a key player in global security dynamics. As India continues to expand its military capabilities, it's clear that this nation is not just defending its borders but shaping the future of military power in Asia and beyond.